Welcome to our physics class. Now I will continue the concept matter. In previous class I have given introduction about the matter. Now I will continue about this matter. Now in this class I will explain about the arrangement of molecules in a matter. As per arrangement of molecules only, states of matter is different. You all know that matter is three types of states. Matter is in three types of states. One is solids, liquids, and gases. There are three types of states in matter. In each state, the arrangement of molecules are not same. Now, if you observe here in solids, the molecules are very closely packed and tightly packed. So, gap is very less. Now, if you observe liquids, gap between molecules is more. If you observe gases, the gap between molecules is very high. According to this arrangement, we can differentiate the characteristics of states of each matter. If you take some characteristics here, shape and size and volume, intermolecular force of matter, intermolecular space in the matter, motion of molecules in the matter. If you take these characteristics in each state, we can observe here in solids first how the shape of solid, shape and size and volume. Because of all molecules closely packed, tightly packed, they have a particular shape. When molecules are very close and closely packed, tightly packed, they gain one particular shape. When a matter is having some particular shape, it is also having some size, and when it is having some size, we can measure its volume. So, in solids, we can have shape and fixed shape and fixed size and fixed volume. We can measure. Next, if you take liquids, no shape for the liquids, no size of the liquid, volume also no particular volume. You see that these liquids gain volume and shape and size as per container. When you pour the liquid in the container, the liquid gain the shape of container and also size, also container size, and also the volume is also equal to volume of container. So this liquid is shape and size and volume is depends on container. Everything is container shape, container size, container volume. If you take gases, there is no shape, no size, no particular volume, because molecules are very far and far, gap is very high, no fixed shape, no fixed size, no fixed volume for gases. So now next come to intermolecular force. So for intermolecular force in the matter, see in solids the force between molecules is very high, so that is why they closely packed and tightly packed. That is why they get particular rigid shape. Next, come to liquids. The intermolecular force is less than solids. There is a force, intermolecular force presents, but less than solids. So force is less. That is why little gap is more between particles. Force is less. If you see that gases, the intermolecular force is very less. That is why molecules are moves far and far, the molecules will not come close very far. Lies at different places and with a heavy gap. So intermolecular force is very less in these gases. Next characteristics. What is the next character is intermolecular space. In intermolecular in solids, intermolecular space is very less. Between molecules, the space is very less because the molecules are closely packed and tightly packed. So space is very less. And in liquid, the space is more than solids. There is intermolecular space, but the space is more than solids. That is why they can move. Molecules can move freely. So that is why liquids are flowing one place to another place. Next, intermolecular space is very high. Space between particles are very high. They move very far and far. They are not comes close. That is why no shape, no size, no particular volume, because the molecules are very far from each other. So intermolecular space is very high for gases. Next character is motion of molecules in the matter. In solids, if you observe the solids, the molecules will not move freely. Just vibrate at a particular place in particular mean position. Just vibrates. Particles vibrates in their mean position, not moves freely. If you observe liquids, molecules move, but in particular boundary only. All together, all molecules together moves one place to another place. So moves within the boundary. If you observe gases, the molecules moves in zigzag way, no particular path, and moves in all directions, no particular path, moves in all directions, no boundary for that, no boundary for gases. There is no particular boundary for particles. They move in all directions far to each other, and that is called random motion. So these are the characteristics of states of matter. We can write in different ways according to arrangement of molecules in the matter. That's all for now.